Just got done walking the dogs. So let's go and see some bikes. That's what we do. Rows and rows of bikes. We made it, guys. We're here walking the streets. Let's see some bikes. All right, some Victory motorcycles. Harleys. Lowrider ST, baby. Yeah. You see the guy on the little bike? There it is, Sawtail. Hey, time to find some food. Last show of the season. CBOST in the wild, baby. This guy's got the doggy. You got the dog in the back.
Right straight downtown. That's part of
he's happy. Yes, sir. That one's mine. All right, bikes and food. That's all you need in life right there. Goldwing. Old Honda Goldwing. Limited edition. Triumph Bobber in the house. Try to represent the Triumph guys. All right, CBOST. Oyster Run 2024, having fun. Take a look at some bikes, see some booths. Hopefully there's interesting stuff. It's gonna be a good time. It's the new Scout. Sport Chief.
Yeah, all of them. Yeah.
Indian Sport Chief. Great motorcycle.
Oh yeah.
Well, they're trying to sell me on this.
You'll see some of these.
This is the new Indian Scout Bobber.
Yeah, that's like
2025. But I really like the Sport Chief, so I'm gonna have to think about this.
Too bad. Because most people that like this.
All right, we got the Sport Chief. Oh, are we turning it on?
Of course.
Let's take a listen, man. Just to see. It's been a while since I sat on the Sport Chief. Just press OK. Back on the Sport Chief.
Not obnoxiously loud, like, I like that. Especially if I
It feels like a good bike, not gonna lie.
That's kind of nice.
Let's shut her off.
And isn't that just like...
What do you think?
To the left or the right side?
Okay. Okay, I think
Down there on the right.
we got a winner.
No, man, it's under the...
Oh, where? Oh. Wow. Brembo brakes, S&S motor. Gear-driven cam. Pop shocks. Wow, this guy put some work. He put some work into this bike. chopper. Chopper gang. This one's got a pricey motor on it. Knucklehead motor. Sidecar. BMW R18. Good looking bike too. Touch the screen, you got a big screen. Ruxton R, baby, Triumph. Still cruising, still walking. Hopefully everyone enjoys what we're doing over here. A lot of interesting stuff today. Lots of interesting stuff.
So they're not like the wood cut out building.
What is this?
They have a, I would say it's like
That's how it is. Some guys get weird out here. But everyone's got their own interpretation of a motorcycle. Right, babe? The new Nightster. And you got this Road Glide ST. El Diablo, Lowrider ST. Wow. Look at the paint job on that. Honda 4-cylinder 750. Kickstart. Nice. Yamaha VMAX. Interesting. Here's one of Harley's interesting failures, but it was like a really over-engineered motorcycle. But the new soft-tail frame, kinda cool to look at now. So we're just looking at bikes that catch my eye. This Triumph Scrambler, for some reason, I wanted to see. I like the color on that. I like that tank strap. Triumph is really making good bikes right now. And then this other one, this BMW over here. Look at that. Look at the seat. The chrome. For a stripped down bike, that's pretty luxurious. Probably feels just as good as the newer Softails. You know what, guys? I miss the old Sportsters. These were pretty cool looking bikes for what they give you, you know. Of course, my own personal bike. Rain's coming in. It's the end of the season. Things are starting to close up over here. Everybody, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. It's fun making these videos. Checking out motorcycles. This was a good old time, guys. Peace.